Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a topic that's not just relevant but essential for all you hardworking men out there: healthy food for working men. In this fast-paced world, balancing work and health can be a challenge. But fear not, because we're here to guide you on how to nourish your body and boost your performance in the workplace. The importance of healthy eating. Let's dive right in and understand why healthy eating is crucial for working men like you. Healthy food isn't just about salads and greens. It's about fueling your body with the right nutrients to keep you sharp and energized throughout the day. Nutrient-rich foods. So, what should you be eating? Let's explore some nutrient-rich options that will keep you at the top of your game. We'll talk about the power of lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, and those essential healthy fats that keep your brain firing on all cylinders. Meal planning and preparation. But how can you incorporate these foods into your daily routine? It's all about meal planning and preparation. We'll show you how to plan your meals for the week, ensuring that you have nutritious options at your fingertips, even during the busiest workdays. Healthy snacking. The dreaded office snacks. We've all been there, right? Let's talk about how to snack smartly. Say goodbye to sugary temptations. We've got a list of healthy snacks that will keep you satisfied and focused. Staying hydrated. Now, let's not forget the importance of staying hydrated throughout the day. Proper hydration is key to productivity. We'll share tips on how to make sure you are drinking enough water. Exercise and mental well-being. Of course, it's not just about food. Exercise and mental well-being play a significant role in your overall health. We'll discuss easy exercise routines you can do even during a busy workday and touch on stress management techniques to keep your mind sharp. So, there you have it, folks. Healthy food for working men is all about making smart choices to power through your day. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical advice on leading a healthier, happier life. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, your health is your wealth. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep crushing those goals.